Today I'm going to show you how you can add real-time collaboration features like CRDT, comments, notifications, and cursors to your product within 10 minutes using our Claude Code CLI. Once you install the plugin, you have access to Velt commands, including our MCP installation command. When you run the Velt installation command, you will be asked for which features you'd like to install. In this case, we want Tiptap CRDT, Tiptap comments, presence, notifications, and cursors. You will then be asked for your API key, as well as auth token, which you can get from your Velt console. The installation process will also ask you to confirm an install plan and where to install what parts of Velt. Once everything is installed, you can test it out on two browsers. In this case, in both browsers, we can see presence as well as cursors for two users. We can also see live sync working between Tiptap editors as well as Tiptap comments. You can view notifications either by clicking on the notifications panel or the comments panel, as well as reply and tag users. And of course, you can have some fun with our reactions. I hope this was a helpful guide as to how to use the Velt Claude Code CLI plugin to accelerate your installation process and to make your application collaborative.